In Blend, I am sure you're aware that when you add an assignment with a due date, it automatically populates on a student's calendar and to-do list. However, there may be times when you want to populate a page to a student's to-do list to remind them, perhaps in this case, of doing pre-work before your synchronous meeting. I'm going to open this page and edit it. And if I scroll down to the bottom here, I can click Add to Student's To-Do List. I can even put a date when I want that done by. So let's say I want it done by Friday at let's say, let's be kind. Let's say at 9 a.m. And I'll click Done and save that. So what that does, let me go into Student View quickly here. If I go into my Student View and go to my to-do list, you can see that that page and the time it should be completed by have populated to the student to-do list, as well as the student's course calendar.